Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial we will discuss about Power BI at Tableau. So which functions are giving same results in both of the BI tools. Okay, so here you can see in Power BI this is our data set. So here you can see country, city, sales and category. Okay, so if I go to my report view, so here you can see this is our country, city, what is the sales, and every country has their city. Okay, France has two cities, okay, Lyon and Paris. India has two cities, Delhi and Kolkata. So there are respective sales of them. Okay, but I want a column something like, if there is a country called France, so in that column total sales of France should come. It should not divide the sale between the cities of France. Okay, so here you can see if I use AllEXCEPT, so it is not including city filter. Okay, here you can see Lyon and Paris, there are two different cells, but when I am using AllEXCEPT city, AllEXCEPT country, it is not accepting any other filter rather than country. So what I have done, here you can see calculate sum of the cells all except of country. So what it is doing, it is actually keeping filters only on country. That means now sales depends on the country, not on the city. So if I put this AllEXCEPT function, so what it will do, this filter only work on the country. Okay, after country whatever filter I put, it will not take the filter. Okay, here you can see Delhi and Kolkata, there are different cells, but in this column it is taking total sales of India because I put AllEXCEPT here. So sales now depends on the country, not on the city. Okay, that's why it is summing up the sales of the city and giving us the result. Okay, now we'll do the same thing in Tableau. Here you can see same data set. Here you can see this is our country, these are sales. Okay, here you can see India, Delhi, Kolkata, two different sales, London, Paris and Lyon, two different sales, but I want total sales of basis of the country, not basis of the city. Okay, here you can see clearly. So here what we can do, we have LOD functions, right? So level of details function. So there is a function called fixed. So what we have to do, we are going there and edit. So what it is doing, it is fixing the country filter, it is fixing the column country and then doing the sum of the cells. Okay, what it is doing, it is fixing the country and giving the filter of cells. It is giving the sales data of the country only, it is not going to the city. So if I do OK, and here you can see country specific sales is coming, both of the cell. Okay, not city specific. Okay, same thing we are doing here with AllEXCEPT function, and in Tableau what we are doing, we are using LOD function of fixed. Okay, so this is it. So I hope you understood the two BI tools, so how actually the query language works on it. So if you like my channel, please like it, subscribe it, share it among your friends. Thank you guys, thank you.